In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mark a conversation on Messages app as unread on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. As you can see, currently I don't have any conversations unread. But now I'm gonna show you how we can easily mark any chat as unread. Basically, guys, all you have to do is just swipe to the right and then tap at that icon. That will mark a conversation as unread. You can easily find all the unread conversations by that blue circle next to it. And in the same way, we can mark multiple conversations, obviously. And moreover, if we go to the home screen, we can notice that now it is showing here that we got two unread conversations. That's because we have just marked two of them. To mark a conversation as read, we can just open it up once. And also we can swipe to the right and tap at that icon to unmark it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.